Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a set of pots and pans that I just ordered. I got a ridiculous price on a 14-piece set, and I'll show you in just a minute. Alright, let's go. As you can see, I got this ridiculously large, very heavy box. So what we're going to do is open it up and see what we got. Oh! I'm so excited. I'm excited sick. Okay, well, it's not going quite how I planned, but alright, I don't know if you can see this, but I ordered a 14-piece ALL-CLAD set. I got a ridiculous price at Macy's. They were having a sale, and then I got 30% off the sale price. Normally these pots and pans retail for $2,000. I got this 14-piece set of the D3 stainless steel ALL-CLAD pans for $839. I am completely amazed. Alright, we're going to take it out. And there's a lot of boxes in here. I think we should get all the boxes out and then unbox it. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, there's a mountain of pots and pans here, so let's dig in. Okay, what do we have here? We have the stainless 6-quart saucepan. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy. With lid. There's 2 pieces. They do consider the lid as part of a piece. Okay, let's shift these around just a little bit. We're going to go with the 5.5 quart Dutch oven with domed lid. Really nice. These are kind of weighty. They do have some weight behind them. Now we have the 3-quart saucepan with lid. Nice size pan. We have the 8-quart stock pot with lid. This is heavy. This is very heavy. 2-quart saucepan with lid. Now we have the 3-quart saute pan with lid. Very heavy. Now we have the 12-inch fry pan. Oh, I'm gonna love this one. Oh my goodness. This is a very, very heavy pan. It's got some nice weight to it. And last but not least, we have the 10-inch fry pan. This is the ALL-CLAD D3 stainless steel set that I purchased from Macy's. It's made in America. I like the fact that they're heavy, they're stainless steel. It's 3-ply bonded. You have the interior is stainless, the exterior is stainless, and the core is aluminum, which creates a more even cooking. I can't wait to use these pots and pans. It's been a 20-year dream to have this set. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, ring the bell for notification. We'll see you next time. Bye!